Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you all about MidJourney AI. So let's scroll and here you can see the website MidJourney AI. Simply click on that. Here we have opened this MidJourney website. You can also download this app from your App Store or Play Store. So simply you can see here all about this MidJourney app. Now here for using this MidJourney, first you have to create an account. So for creating an account, click on sign up, and if you already have an account, then simply click on login. So I'm using here for sign up. Now here you have two options for sign up. I'm using Google here. Now we have connected our Google account with this MidJourney app. Now in Explore you can see all the images created by this MidJourney app. Here you can see this image, how amazing this image is, and this is created by this MidJourney AI app. Can you believe that? Now here you can see all type of images. You can see here paintings and portraits, and you can see here different type of images all created by this MidJourney AI. So here in Explore you can get inspo from these images. So now if we talk about this image here, now let's read these descriptions, what they have given the command, and then they have created this type of image for them. Here you can see that brush stroke minimum mountain shape, one color black on white, rough brush strokes, solid black, opaque black paint. Here you can see that they have given this MidJourney AI clear instructions, and MidJourney AI has created similar image to them. Simply you can also copy prompt from here for creating these type of images. Like if you want it in green color and you want the white to be blue and you want the black to be green, you can do that. And simply you can add different modifications here and you can get inspo from these images. Now let's talk about one more image. Now if I open this image here you can see that what command they have given to this MidJourney AI for creating these type of images. Here they have given a very minimum command for creating a horrifying garbage monster that live in garbage, and they have created a very cool and scary image, and you can see that. Now if we talk about more images here, now if we talk about this colorful images here you can see that again the command is little few, but they have created a good image for creating high quality good images. You can see that this is a high quality good image. Here you can see that this image is high quality good image, and for that they have given a large command Loria, and you can see that they have given so much large command here, and you can see that they have written here a Loria top light clean nature, and you can see that they have also mentioned their shadow, bright product light, and studio light, sense of contract, and you can see all that they have given so much more instruction, and this AI tool has created similar image from that. Now you can see that they have also mentioned here photography, HD, 8K, realism, and they have also provided the 9:16 size here, and you can see the image that they have created. Here you can see many images and you can get inspo from them. Now if we move to the organize option here, when we were gonna create images, all our images will appear here. Now for creating these type of amazing pictures, you have to click on this option create here, and here you can see that you can't do that until you have a subscription. So for that you have to buy their subscription, you have to buy their membership that says $10 per month with 20% discount on yearly packages. Now if we talk about this subscription, you can see the option here subscription. Here they have yearly billing that says $8 per month with 20% discount. It's the basic plan. And if we talk about the standard plan, that says $24 per month, and you can see here the features that these plans offer. And in pro plan you can see $48 per month with 20% off billing, and this is for pro plan. And if you talk about mega plan, it says $96 per month, and it includes more features, so choose according to your need. If you talk about their monthly plans, their basic plan says $10 per month, and their standard plan says $30 per month. And if you talk about the pro plan, it says $60 per month, and if you talk about this mega plan, it says $120 per month. And here you can't use their feature use editor or upload images. This ad plan is only available for annual plans. So if you want to use this MidJourney website for the whole year, it's better to use the yearly plans because these plans have discount. And also you can access this option here, use editor on upload images in all these plans. And that was all about this MidJourney AI. Now if we talk about the menu, here you can see the here you can change the theme. And if we talk about this more, here we were on manage subscription and manage uploads. Here you can upload any image and you can manage your prompt here. And now if we talk about the personalize, here in personalize you can see the subscriptions again. And if you talk about the tasks, in tasks you can see the demography survey, multiple measures of personality, personal value and belief, and view complete survey. And here if you talk about the demography survey, you can see here simply you can read here all about this MidJourney AI. And that was all about how you can use this MidJourney AI. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.